Hello traders, I'm back here with my best analysis and the best trade of the day. Today is 23rd of February, Tuesday 2021, and let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I analyze today and how my traders bank beautiful pips. Alright, so we're still banking it, by the way. So just to recap traders, these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis, and I analyze market twice a day, just before London Open and in the New York session. And all of my live analysis recording instantly available in the training session, and also broadcast that analysis in the analysis section. So based on today's analysis, you can see one of my traders already banked 136 pips and is still keep banking it 114 pips so far. We'll dig into all these trades later on. Let me share with you how we traded those three pairs which we discussed yesterday. If you haven't seen that video, please watch that video. Link is given in the video description of my yesterday analysis review. All right, so let's dig into the three pairs. Let's see if we can find few opportunities for tomorrow. Okay, so EURUSD, and let's move on to the 4-hour. Okay, so in 4-hour, as I mentioned you yesterday, if the price gonna stay above that level, then probably gonna be taking a long. As you can see, the price nicely respected and came back. We already had counter short trade, bank few pips. So moving forward, if you look at here, the price respected this level. So tomorrow we are looking if the price gonna keep respecting it, and if you see any opportunities in our intraday system, pull back long, and then we keep taking pullbacks. If the price gonna break this level, then probably gonna be taking account short trades in our intraday system. That's what we analyze in a 4-hour, and then we refine those entries in intraday. So let's dig into the momentum charts. You can see here right now, I can see here the price is developed another sort of like a triangle, symmetric triangle pattern. So I'm more interested if the price gonna break the previous high and the previous low. So this is the pattern we're looking here. Breakout tomorrow. We'll keep you update on EURUSD. Cable, pound dollar. We had amazing trades on pound dollar, especially at the New York session. Overall was consolidated. Okay, so let's dig into the 4-hour. As I mentioned you yesterday, if the price gonna stay above this trend support line, which is broken yesterday, as I mentioned you, whenever the price break the previous high, we just bank it. So you can see here we're still long on pound dollar. Tomorrow, if the price gonna stay above the previous high level or above this trend support line, we're gonna keep taking a pullback long. And if the price gonna break this support, then probably gonna be taking a short. But if in our intraday system, this is the patterns we normally follow. If the price develop in oversold, overbought channel, double top, then breakout short trade. Or if the price develop head and shoulder pattern, then probably taking a short trade here. Or if the price develops sideways or triple top and break and retest at this level, we're taking a short trade here. So these are the patterns we normally follow whenever the price reach to the extreme level for counter short trade. But so far we follow as long as the momentum is bullish, we're gonna be staying in bullish. You can see here. So right now, if you look at, let me clean this one. So we're looking here, price, if the price gonna break this level, or you can see here another triangle. We already had this breakout, so we're looking this breakout opportunity on pound dollar. We'll let you know tomorrow about pound dollar. Okay, so dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had interesting trades today. We both had long and short. Let's dig into the 4-hour. Let's see what's happening here. Okay, in 4-hour, as I mentioned you yesterday, if the price is going to respect this daily support, probably going to be taking a counter long, which we did, and banked beautiful pips. We also took another short trade, and that's basically a short trade we taken after the news today. I think that's 3 p.m. Beautiful short trade. So right now you can see here price is at the major support level weekly, and if the price gonna break and stay below the previous low, as I mentioned you, pullbacks. we're going to be taking pullbacks in intraday system. And if the price respect and develop another pattern for reversal, as I mentioned you in pound dollar, we use the same for reversal for for long, counter long. So we'll see tomorrow. And if you look at the intraday momentum chart, we can see here price nicely respected here. You can see third touch. We already had this breakout bank beautiful pips. We had already had short trade. I'm going to show you those analyses in a minute. So right now, if you look at here, the price respected previously this level and the recent low is broken. You can see here. So our first priority based on the momentum, pull back short. That's what exactly we're looking here. Otherwise, if the price break above and retest, give us the confirmation, then probably going to be taking a counter long trades. We'll keep you updated tomorrow on dollar CAD. All right, so let's dig into the analysis. Let me share with you the analysis on Euro USD. As I said, let me make it bigger, slightly bigger. So okay, so Euro USD, we had a counter short trade this morning, pretty straightforward. You can see here beautiful breakout, and afterwards prices consolidation. So we are still looking breakout. So far the momentum is developed bearish. Even if the price gonna break, our first target would be this 200 EMA. We'll see tomorrow. Pound dollar, we had a beautiful, you can see 734 analysis just before London Open, breakout long trade. We had another, after that price develop a consolidation, you can see here, and that's what we explained to trader. Look for the after the news 3 p.m. probably gonna see some opportunity, and that's what happened. Consolidation breakout performed, and afterwards pull back long. So still look like based on the momentum as we explained in 4 hour, we're still looking long on pound dollar. Then dollar CAD, that was interesting. You can see here 7:36 in the morning we did this analysis, and we explained to trader if the price already developed a double bottom here, and this is support level, and the safest would be if the price gonna break the previous high, which price nicely broken long, and afterwards we had another New York session just before the high impact news, beautiful pullback long. So this was the analysis at the just before London Open, bank beautiful pips, traders bank, and we did also analysis at the New York session. This was the analysis, you can see here around 14:11 GMT, and we also give them explanation to our traders through live analysis that if the price gonna develop this pattern, which is price nicely developed, breakout and the pullback, as mentioned, that momentum is bullish, so more likely high probability trade long. As you can see here, price nicely respected according to the analysis, beautiful momentum was bullish and long trade, and price nicely hit to the first target, beautiful long trade on pound on dollar CAD. Okay, so afterwards you can see here price reverse. We do analysis instantly as soon as we rectify another pattern. You can see here beautiful another pattern, and as you can see here price nicely broken because the momentum was developed bearish. We have, after the news, we found the weaknesses on dollar and breakout trade, and afterwards we also announced this one, another pullback long, pretty straightforward. You can see this is the wedge breakout, and one of the traders still banking that profit. All right, so let's dig into the trades now. Okay, let me share with you today is the best pair. We had it Swiss franc, dollar Swiss franc and pound Swiss franc. You can see this morning 741 we have this analysis, beautiful breakout and nicely hit first target and the final target. Then we did another analysis on pound Swiss franc, sideways market developed, beautiful breakout based on the momentum, another pullback and long trade. As one of my traders bank another more than I think more than 80 pips he banked it. I think one of the trades still open. Yeah, still open. So I'll show you those trades in a minute. You can see we had only 2 analyses on pound Swiss franc, beautiful, because we were watching in 4 hour. I'm going to show you in 4 hour just a minute. So in dollar Swiss franc, this was the analysis. You can see here first analysis 736 sideways market, as we explained to trader, if the price can stay above the 200 EMA, then possibility long. You can see breakout nicely hit first target. Afterwards, price developed sideways market at the New York session, which we explained to traders that possibility of breakout long because the momentum was bullish. And we also explained, you can see here the target, and as you can see here, price nicely hit that profit target. Beautiful long trade on dollar Swiss franc and pound Swiss franc. All right, so let me share with you the trades. He already banked 85 pips on pound Swiss franc. You can see this was the pretty straightforward open price, and he banked 85 pips, I think, yeah, 85 pips, and still holding one trade 87 pips. When I had a chat with the traders, he said he is looking, you can see here this morning on the live analysis, we mentioned this breakout. You can see here, beautiful. So he is expecting price might going to hit 128,000, but he put his profit target around 127.88. So let's see here, you can see here profit target still or 27.883. Let's see if the price is gonna hit. We'll let you know tomorrow. And pound yen, he already opened this one again, this one long trade, this one again based on this analysis. You can see here around 3:23 GMT we did this analysis because we're watching in 4 hour. Overall we found a bullishness on pound, and he banked beautiful pips, still holding break even. And I think he already banked 18 pips on this one, is still holding long on break even. And he banked 8, I think he banked this one trade. That was the pretty straightforward long trade. As I mentioned you on the analysis, he banked 24 pips and long. He took short trade later on, again based on the analysis I just showed you guys, and it's banked beautiful pip and still holding one trade, I believe 3 pips in profit, and still break even. So we'll keep you update those trades tomorrow. That's it. So we had a lot of analysis today, so I just don't want to go all of them. Okay, so pound, just give you a couple of them. See, this is euro pound, pretty straightforward breakout short trade. We had it another beautiful long trade, short trade on pullback. As you can see here, this was a New York session, beautiful pullback long trade according to the analysis. Beautiful short trade on euro pound. All right guys, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed all this analysis, and if you would like to see all that analysis in real time alongside with the live audio commentary support, or even if you don't have forex trading experience, we also provide full practical forex coaching and training through this platform. My objective is to train trader with the live market. So as I said to you, train trader with the live market. So we don't provide any certified history or everything. We said no, just watch how we do it. When you see it live, how the professional is analyzing in real time, and they give you the feedback on your trade, and that's why you're going to develop your trading skill. And once you develop your trading skills, money is just gonna follow you. So we train and coach traders with a live market. So even if you're struggling, I'm pretty sure you're going to develop your trading skill effectively. Or even if you're an experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy all that live analysis, because all of them is a pretty straightforward price action, and you're going to love to bank all that pips in real time. So all right guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed, and I'll see you tomorrow with other analysis, and I will keep you updated about this trade. All right guys, all the best.